Hey Rockets, I'm back again. Math time. So yesterday we started talking about ways to describe triangles. Earlier we learned how to describe quadrilaterals, rectangles, squares, rhombuses, parallelograms, and trapezoids. So we learned how to describe those. Excuse me. So now we're moving on to describe triangles. Well, what do we know about all triangles right now, right off the top of our head? Yes, they have three sides, three vertices, and three angles. We know that. That is a basic description of a triangle. So then we went on to talk about specific types of triangles, specific names, ways to describe them. Well, the first triangle we talked about, remember, was an equilateral. Say it with me. Equilateral triangle. All the sides are the same. Kind of like what quadrilateral? A square, all the sides are the same, or rhombus, all the sides are the same. But the difference is this triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. And quadrilaterals have what? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So an equilateral triangle, all the sides are the same. Then we went on to talk about the isosceles triangle. Say that with me, please. Isosceles triangle. Two sides are the same, one side is different. So remember, I say ice, ice, baby. That's how I remember my isosceles triangle. Ice, ice, two sides are the same. Ice, ice, baby. Isosceles triangle. Then I go on and I look at this scalene triangle. Say it with me. Scalene triangle. None of the sides are the same. None of the sides are the same. So the score is different on a scalene triangle. None of the sides are the same. So think about all of this, Rockets. Think about all of this for a minute. What do we know about triangles? What are three types of triangles that we've described? Keep thinking about that. I need to flip my board around. Okay. So I have flipped my board around. So I have some triangles here. I have some triangles here on my board. So I want us to look at these triangles. We have to figure out if these triangles are scalene. The score is different. None of the sides are the same. If they are isosceles, ice, ice, baby, two sides are the same. Or if they are equilateral, all the sides are the same. So let's look at the first one. I want to look at this side. Well, this side seems kind of long. This side is shorter than this side. You see it? And this side is longer than this side, but shorter than this side. So all my sides are not the same. All of my sides are different. Isosceles, scalene, or equilateral? What do you think? Write it down on your paper. You don't have to draw it. Write down what you think on your paper. You don't have to draw it. Write down what you're thinking. So I look. This side is pretty long. This side is shorter than this side, so they're not the same length. This side is longer than this side, but not as long as this side. It's shorter than that. So all the sides are different. What did you write down? I think I'm going to put scalene. Wave your hands in the air if you agree with me. All right. Ooh, let's look at the next one. This side, this side, this side. They all look to be the same. Now remember, I'm not looking at it like that. I'm looking at it upside down. Or even if I did look at it like that, all the sides are the same. I can look at my triangle like that. All my sides are the same. I can look at it like this. All my sides are the same. I can look at it like that. All my sides are the same. So what kind of triangle would I call this? Scalene. Score is different. Equilateral. All the sides are the same. Isosceles. Ice, ice, baby. Two sides are the same. Think about it. Write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm going to call that an equilateral. I think I'm going to call that an equilateral triangle. You agree with me? Wave your hands in the air. Let's look at number 3. This side seems kind of short to remember. You don't have to draw. We're just observing what I drew and writing down what we think it is. Seems kind of short. This side seems longer than that side. But this side seems to be the same as this one. So I have two sides that are the same and one side that is different. Two that are the same and one that is different. Scalene, the score is different. All the sides are not the same. Equilateral, all the sides are the same. Or isosceles, ice, ice, baby. What do you think? Two sides are the same. Write it down. 3, 4, 5. I think I want to write down isosceles. Does anybody agree with me? Wave your hand in the air if you do. Let's look at number 4. So here I have kind of a long side. This side is shorter than that side. So are they the same? Are they the same or different? This side seems to be the shortest of them all. So none of my sides are the same. They are all different. Write down. Scalene, equilateral, isosceles. Scalene, the score is different. None of them are the same. None of the sides are the same. Equilateral, all the sides are the same length. Or isosceles, ice, ice, baby. Two sides are the same. None of these sides are the same. Write down what you think it is. Send me a picture. Until tomorrow.